Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam for SAM. Alright, so I want to teach you briefly how to go around the Binance app. Some of the things that you're seeing that you might not understand, I will briefly just explain them to you. So we just want to take a tour around the Binance app and see one or two things, right? So once you get the app, just in case you don't have a Binance account, check the link in the description below. You'll see a link, then you just create an account easily. And then once you get the app, this is the first page you'll see, which is the home page, where you see announcements at the top here, announcement around this area, and then you see the prices of different coins, and then this is another announcement. This is for futures, charts, deposits, lending, credit you want to buy. All right, so scrolling down, this section right here shows you the volume in 24 hours, right? So the coins have had the highest volume, but for traders like us, we're really interested in top gainers. So this coin right here, CTX CTXC, has grown by 17% within the past 24 hours. Well, let's see those that have grown by a huge percentage. So these are actually top gainers, why these are top losers right here. Right, now let's check the top losers. Once you click here, you should see the top losers. So this coin has lost 14% uh within the past 24 hours, right? And in case you want to learn how to trade, there's a link in the description to a blockchain university where you can learn how to trade easily. What else? So, okay, so it has lost a very huge percentage in the last 24 hours. And also, if you click here, you'll be able to toggle between uh, the big losers within the past 24 hours and the big losers and big gainers within the past 24 hours. So this coin is being listed in descending order. So it's listed this way downwards. Okay. Now something else that you might want to pay attention to is the favorite BTC, alt, USDT, and the rest, right? So USD and BNB. So these are different market pairs, right? So these are all coins. So if you click there, you will see all coins that are related to Bitcoin. You click here, all coins are related to either Ethereum, Tron, or Ripple, right? So they are all called trading pairs. Now, just in case you don't know how to learn or you don't know how to trade, we have a course on that. You can check the link in the description. Right, so clicking markets just gives you insights into all these things that we're checking right here. And then the next thing I want to check is trade. Now that is where you start trading. Right, just in case you don't know how to trade and you want to learn how to trade and to make passive income for yourself every day, just check the link description. There's a link there, and the name of the link is Blockchain University Teachable blah 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 blah. And we have a course that will teach you how to trade and make some passive income every single day. All right, and I have some funds here. All right, so I use this account to to trade on the go. You know, maybe you're not, you went out somewhere, you're waiting for somebody, you just sit down there and wait for the person. So that's that about Binance app. It's very easy to use. You want to learn how to trade, check the link in the description and let's get started. Okay.